There's a new AI advancement called DeepSeek that's causing a big stir in the tech world. NVIDIA lost over 17% of its value, $600 billion. Mark Anderson, a major Silicon Valley investor, said DeepSeek is one of the most amazing and impressive breakthroughs he's ever seen. He praised its open source nature and he's seen it as a huge gift to the world. In this short video, I'm going to explain what DeepSeek is, why it has the stock market on edge, and discuss the speculation surrounding it. DeepSeek's impact. So it sent ripples through the market within technology achievements, because what DeepSeek has done is they have taken an AI model, brought it to the market for $6 million that is now competing with the likes of OpenAI's top model. When DeepSeek was released, it caused quite a stir in the financial world. Big tech companies, especially NVIDIA, who make the chips used for AI, saw their stock price dramatically drop. Even the US president weighed in, calling it a wake-up call for American AI companies. The big picture though, DeepSeek is making waves because it's the first time a non-American AI has reached top performance levels. And it did this using less computing power than usual. And anyone that can download it can use its code, and that's what open weight means, which is a true game changer because it's open source. And what people are wondering about is safety. While using DeepSeek's official website might raise privacy concerns because it's an open model, other companies can host it in more secure ways. What open really means is, think of it like a cake. You get the finished cake, the AI model, but not the exact recipe and kitchen equipment. And why is it special? Well, it shows we can make powerful AI more efficiently than before. It also proves that other companies can create high quality AI models that can think and reason well. Well, how good is it? Well, it's very capable, though not quite at the level of top models like Claude 3, Opus or GP4. And computing needs. Well, these kind of AI models need computing power each time they answer questions. As more powerful AIs become available, the overall demand for computing will likely go up. So what's the future impact? Well, AI development will probably speed up even more, and since DeepSeek achieved so much with less resources, it suggests AI capabilities might keep growing without hitting technical limits anytime soon. The combination of market impact and technology achievements makes DeepSeek a significant milestone in AI development, particularly as it demonstrates that leadership in AI technology isn't limited to the big technology companies.